Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Ghee Jalebi at home. Start by mixing 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1/4 cup of yogurt and half a cup of water. Whisk until smooth, then cover and let it ferment for 8 to 12 hours. This fermentation is key for that classic jalebi tang. Just before frying, stir in a small pinch of baking soda to ensure your jalebis are perfectly crisp. Next, let's prepare the sweet syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water in a pan. Bring it to a boil, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Infuse it with a few saffron strands and 2 or 3 crushed cardamom pods for an authentic aroma. Simmer this mixture until it forms a one-string consistency, which means it's slightly sticky between your fingers. Now for the fun part, frying. Heat about 2 inches of Desi ghee in a wide, flat-bottomed pan over medium heat. Using a piping bag or a squeeze bottle, carefully pipe the fermented batter into beautiful spiral shapes directly into the hot ghee. Fry these spirals for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they turn a lovely golden brown and become wonderfully crisp. As soon as your jalebis are fried to perfection, immediately transfer them into the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak for just 1 to 2 minutes. This allows them to fully absorb that delicious sweetness without becoming soggy. Once soaked, remove them and serve these warm, juicy, and incredibly sweet Desi Ghee Jalebis. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.